I must be crazy now. Maybe I dream too much. But when I think of you, I long to feel your touch. To whisper in your ear words that last all this time. Words only you would, words only you would hear if only you were mine. I wish I could go back to the very first day I saw you. Should have made my move when you looked in my eyes. 'Cause by now I know that you'd feel the way that I do. And I'd whisper this word as you lie here by my side. I love you. Please say you love me too. These three words, they could change our lives forever. Ano, ba't ka sumisilip?